Christine, and welcome to a new month and a new video for the scrap room. Today I am using this beautiful patriotic page kit that comes from Photo Play, and it is obviously perfect for scrapbooking your 4th of July Independence Day celebrations. But it also is really great because it's got some generic back sides where it's still got the red, white, and blue, but you could totally make it work for other things. So I love that about this collection. Couldn't resist the chance to play with it. So I've started off by layering several patterned papers along the bottom, and then I put this long banner sticker across the top. So I'm working very much so horizontally across my layout. And I'm going to just use the ephemera that came with the kit and the embellishment kit, as well as the stickers to play things up. Now, this video includes both the page kit and the embellishment kit. So if you get both of those, you'll get all this ephemera, all those stickers, and of course the beautiful patterned papers. I did stick with the cardstock that came with it as well because it was a perfect shade of cream and matched really nicely with the patterned papers. And so I decided to go with that, and quite honestly, cream is a lot easier to take a picture of than white. So I knew it was going to be easier to edit, which is a factor for me when I'm working. So now I'm going to take some things and layer them down below with my picture still standing there. I'm kind of still deciding whether I'm going to do the picture in the center or if I want to move it over a little bit. I like it in the center, but I always am hesitant to put things smack dab in the center because I don't want it to become too much of a bullseye, if you will. So I always am kind of just maneuvering and testing out the things where I want them to land. Now, if you are unfamiliar with the scrap room, this is the Flavors of the Month kit. It comes with 4 page kits, 4 different collections, so you get to play with a wide sample of things each month. Comes with a little bit of embellishments that coordinate with each kit, and you can then add on the embellishment kit. You can add on extra patterned paper. You can add on extra cardstock. She's got a huge variety of options for you. You also can get the double shot kit, which comes with 2 page kits, and try out some other collections. So lots of opportunities there. She also sends along a fun sample of coffee each month, which I always try and drink while I'm working on my first layout of the month. And she packs in all kinds of fun challenges over in the Facebook group. So definitely a lot of fun to be had with this kit club, as well as the fact that it's non-commitment. So you can join for a month, and if you need to take a month off, you can do that, and it's not a big deal. So be sure to check us out over on Facebook as well as on our webpage and see what we have to offer if you're not already a member. If you are already a member, you know what we have to offer and how much fun we have with the scrap room. So we are carrying on. You can see I've really started to build up the top there, and I am using a combination of both embellishments, both the stickers as well as the ephemera, and mixing and matching things. I have decided that I am going to put my picture on the right hand side, and I want to pop it up. So I'm going to use some 3D foam tape from Scrapbook Adhesives by 3L, and I'm going to just put it onto the page there. Now, before I removed the tape, I just wanted to double check my placement, and then I removed that backing from the tape, and I will have it ready to go. One of the advantages of using that striped paper that way is it makes things really easy to line up nice and straight. Now I'm going to continue to build things up, and I'm just going to have fun playing with the stars that come in this collection. I've used several of them already. You can see I've got them on both sides of the banner up there. I've got one up above. Stars you just can't go wrong with, of course, when you're working on an Independence Day layout. Now, this is a fun picture of me and my family. It was a selfie that we took last year on the 4th of July when we were in downtown to watch fireworks, and I haven't had a chance to scrap it yet. Obviously it's got the red and blue coloring going on, and it's kind of fun to do a specifically themed layout. I haven't done a 4th of July layout in quite a while. I was looking back through my Instagram and noticing that this is a holiday I haven't covered too much. So it was definitely fun to dive into this kit and make use of it for that. Now, I'm going to finalize some placement on things. I am toying around with if I want things to be a little more to the right-hand side, or if it works better if I move them back to the center. You can see right there, it's not working like that. It's too heavy on the right-hand side. So I move everything back over and keep it how I had it originally. You know, sometimes you just mess around with things just to see if, ooh, is it maybe a little bit better if I do this? But I actually really like that it extends over the entire top and then works your eye down to the picture from there. Now I'm also going to punch out some stars here just from one of the patterned papers, and I'm just going to use this dual tip glue pen, not Ghoul Gip, dual tip glue pen, and just put those on there. This is just a teeny tiny star punch that I got for like $1 at Michael's way back when, and it has been very handy for adding embellishments onto my layouts. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of mist here because I just want to add in a little bit of splatters, not too much, just enough to kind of mimic the look of the sparklers or fireworks. And that will be it. So thank you so much for joining me today, and keep your eye on this channel. There'll be lots more videos this month to showcase the scrap room kits, and we will see you again soon.